Today we have a Galaxy S10 Plus. There's something wrong with the cameras. When you open the camera app, there's an error. We are going to take a look inside the phone and see if there's anything wrong with the cameras. If we have to replace the camera, the customer says that he is going to trade in the phone and not fix the camera, but maybe the camera is unplugged. Let's see. Let's take a look inside. This is the inside of the phone. There is a sticker in Chinese, so somebody already messed with this phone. So we're going to take a look and see if any of these cameras are broken or disconnected. Here's the front-facing camera. Everything looks fine here. What we're going to do is disconnect this camera, disconnect the front camera, and then reconnect it and see if that fixes the problem. So now the cameras are working. Let's try the main camera, front camera. Yeah, so that was the issue. The front facing camera was not connected all the way in. That's it. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.